This is Christina. Christina plans the electrical design in the machine. This also includes numerous sensors and actuators, which are integrated via suitable cables. In the new M12 online cable configurator from HARTING, she defines the parameters such as length, assignment and cable direction with a click. After a final check of her data, she releases the order and receives the digital data record of her configurated cable, the digital twin. This allows her to continue working on her design without delay, while the production process is started at HARTING. The M12 cables are assembled to the individual length and configuration, overmolded, 100% tested, and just 48 hours later, the order is on its way to Christina. After the digital twin, Christina has the actual goods in her hands in no time at all. The new M12 cable configurator. Digital, fast, easy.